but everyone enjoys it. Not only that, everybody who has come out of the Big Boss house he's been working every single day. Most of them.
Yeah, straight.
Yeah, we request you to please stand up when you have a question.
Yeah.
Salman, you know the tagline of Big Boss season 9 is wine is very catchy. And what brings you back to Big Boss year after year? Because last year you had said that you left the show halfway, and now
You know, it's, after you work 3 months, by that time you're exhausted, so everything keeps on coming onto your head. But then there's a long association, and there's a huge connect with all the contestants inside, and as well as the whole team, the Endemol team, the Colors team. So you start missing this whole thing after some time. I actually want to do something else, which we will do. Sir, ये studio leak हो रहा है sir. Seriously? Something yeah. No. यहाँ भी हो रहा है ना?
Over and above Big Boss.
What was I saying, sir?
Why you keep coming to Big Boss?
Yeah. So it's you start missing it, and मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जो हमारी कंट्री है, जो हमारी कंट्री की यूथ है, वो एक दिशा में जा रही है. And I think Big Boss का ये जो शो है, it's a window to that because celebrities, पढ़े लिखे लोग आते हैं, जिनका एक माइंड है, जो टेलीविजन पे बोलने से कतराते नहीं, डरते नहीं हैं, कुछ ओवर ड्रामेटिकली कर जाते हैं, तो कुछ बहुत ही सटली कर जाते हैं, कोई दिल से लड़ते हैं, तो कोई दिमाग से लड़ते हैं. तो इट्स बेसिकली ये जो हमारी दुनिया की खिड़की, हिंदुस्तान की खिड़की ये है. और फिर जो आप लोग टीवी पर देखते हो, आप लोग उसको एंजॉय करते हो. अगर एंजॉय नहीं करते तो देन आउट ऑफ थॉट के यार ये क्या है, आई वांट टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट. बट एवरीवन एंजॉयज इट. नॉट ओनली दैट, everybody who has come out of the Big Boss house he's been working every single day. Most of them. So it gives me great pleasure, in guiding them in the right direction. Sometimes people go overboard. I said, क्या मैं इनका father हूँ, मैं इनका brother हूँ, मैं क्यों बोलूँ? But then एक दायरा होता है, because you cross that limit, it doesn't be entertainment anymore. You cross that limit, you don't get work outside. So I just make sure that no matter what, sometimes I get a lot of criticism for, getting into this. It's not my space. Like there was Mr. Bachchan as a host. Whatever happened in the house, he just, didn't react to what happened in the house. But I get involved. I get involved with these people, then most of them are in touch with me even after Big Boss is over. So I feel that once I am there, let me, be a part of this. And the reason every time मैं सोचता हूँ कि मैं ये show नहीं करूँगा, क्योंकि because it starts affecting me. That is the reason why I keep on saying, okay, let it go, yeah, let's not do this, एक और 13 लोग मेरी life में आ जाएंगे, Why do I have to do this? But then I just feel that it's a good show. It's about people. It's about relationships. That is where my connect is. मैं जितनी भी जो मेरे फादर की लाइफ की एक्सपीरियंस है, मेरी लाइफ की एक्सपीरियंस है, भाइयों की, दोस्तों की, जो भी लाइफ में देखा है अप्स एंड डाउन, वो मैं अगर इनके साथ शेयर कर सकता हूँ, then why not? That is my only thing for getting back to Big Boss all the time.
Hi,
I earlier did not agree with this name at all. I had a big, I said, double trouble. मेरे लाइफ में मुझे ट्रबल ही होते रहता है, ये होते रहता है. तो ऐसे इस बार डबल आएगा, मैं बोला नहीं होगा यार, मैनेज नहीं होगा इस बार. तो then they said कि नहीं, this is the concept of the whole show. घर के अंदर ये होने वाला, ऐसा होने वाला, वैसा होना. I thought it was funny, and I kept on saying, have it double something else. But I think the team wanted double trouble, so I said, क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
Can we get him a mic, please?
We can hear him.
अभी पता नहीं, आप देखो अभी.
okay,
अगर मैं एक कहना चाहता हूँ,
ऐसा थोड़ी होगा कि सिर्फ लड़के जाएंगे या लड़की जाएंगे. जाएगा ना सर, सब जाएंगे. भिन्न प्रकार के कैरेक्टर्स जाएंगे सर इस बार. अतरंगी सर.
I have a question for Mr. Jaikishan. You briefly touched upon it that last season was very good for you with the kind of branding and all. So what are you expecting this season? Because consecutively second year you have come on board.
आप ही का आदमी है.
Yeah, so see, the show actually gives you an opportunity to be in the houses of the viewers for 105 days at a stretch. So there's no other platform in the country which gives you this access. And the idea is to kind of be a household brand, touching upon everything that you want to buy and make your dil ki deal.
All right.
हेलो सलमान जी
जी, जी, जी.
इसमें डबल ट्रबल है तो क्या आपके भी दो रूप देखने को मिलेंगे, प्रेम और दबंग?
मेरे तो आपको हमेशा इतने सारे रूप देखने को मिलते हैं और दो से क्या करोगे, 200 रूप देखने मिलते हैं आपको मेरे, और मैं आपको फ्रीली अलाउ भी करता हूं.
हेलो
दो और चाहिए आपको?
और चाहिए बहुत
202 कर दूं मैं?
202 कर दीजिए.
चलिए आपके लिए.
ओके. एंड मिस्टर विलियम, आप you have associated with Big Boss. This is the second time your association with Big Boss.
Yes.
So how was it help you to build brand like?
I think this is probably the most biggest popular reality shows in India market. We agree that, and really fortunately they can get Salman Khan on board. Is another fortune.
You said India Mate? Huh?
Global way.
Huh?
Global way. We know Big Boss in China as well. So I think this is really for a new brand because everybody knows that Oppo is not a very strong brand in the past. So when we come in this market, we definitely need a great show and exposure to this market. So I think this is really good fortune to us.
Right.
Hi, my question is for Mr. Raj Nayak. Sir, Colors has been consistent #1 for last couple of weeks. What are the strategies that you are
आप ही
working
की
on?
है. आप ही की है.
We are associated with all the right people, as good as that.
What are the strategies that you are working on to spruce up on the marketing and the programming front?
ये भी. Sir, सवाल पूछो.
At Colors, we actually don't look at the scoreboard. You know, we just keep playing the game. We give it our best shot, and it's
Sir,
not.
अभी तक तो इतना सच बोल रहे थे सर.
Yeah, but over the next few months, you'll see quite a few new launches, and the idea is to consolidate and build from here.
सलमान,
डबल बोलो, पूछो. साथ में पूछो, साथ में जवाब दूंगा. सर, हर पॉजिटिव चीज डबल होने से सर मुझे बहुत खुशी होती है, और हर नेगेटिव चीज उसका आधा होने से मुझे सर बेहद खुशी होती है सर. अब समझ जाओ यार.
सलमान,
Yeah.
लेफ्ट यहाँ. सलमान, आपके रियल लाइफ में कोई आपको इतना ट्रबल किया है?
ये बड़ा ही सुलझा हुआ सवाल आने वाला है ये. हाँ.
सर, मैं
सलमान ये बड़ा गहरा, ये बड़ा डीप, ये बड़ा सोच कर. हाँ. ये मतलब कि ये सवाल ऐसा आएगा कि चलो लास्ट क्वेश्चन प्लीज. ये वाला. जी सर, पूछिए. अरे
No, I'm asking you.
अरे रेमो की शक्ल क्या है?
I'll take that as a compliment. Salman, talking about your real life, has anyone from the industry ever troubled you more than once?
Not really, sir. I don't think there's anyone who has troubled me. If there's anybody responsible for my troubles, I think it's, it's my luck, it's my destiny, it's me, it's stuff like that. It's my journey. It's my journey. And only from, see, when एक होता ना जैसे check, कि अगर ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता मेरी लाइफ के अंदर छोटा मोटा, तो I would have been a different person. So it just keeps everything, छोटा trouble होना चाहिए लाइफ के अंदर. So it keeps you grounded somewhere. It keeps you real somewhere. It keeps you balanced. You don't think no end of yourself. It knows कि यार ये किसी भी तरफ जा सकता है. You can come out of it. You can get stuck into this. So you're there. You're सुलझा हुआ. As soon as you come in, I've seen a lot of people come and they start thinking no end of themselves, and then finish, out, gone. We've been lucky, and plus I've got a very strong family support, which keeps me going. My friend circle, especially the press, has been really kind to me.